In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new line without sending a message on Slack. This is a simple trick, but it makes your messages much clearer and easier to read, especially when you're writing longer updates, sharing lists, or formatting information for your team. Instead of accidentally sending a half-finished message when you just want to move to the next line, you'll be able to control exactly when your message goes out. First, make sure you have Slack open on your computer. This works both in the desktop app and in Slack in your web browser. Once Slack is open, navigate to any conversation where you can type a message. This can be a direct message with a colleague, a group conversation, or a public channel. Click into the message box at the bottom of the screen where you would normally start typing. Now type a bit of text, just like you usually would. For example, you might type the first sentence of your message or the first item in a list. At this point, if you press the Enter key by itself, Slack will immediately send your message. That's the default behavior. Enter equals send. To create a new line without sending, you need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, press Enter. So the key combination is Shift plus Enter. When you do this, instead of your message being sent, your cursor will simply move down to the next line inside the same message box. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Type a line, hold Shift, press Enter, type another line, and so on. This is perfect for formatting bullet-style lists, separating paragraphs, or adding clear breaks between different ideas. Your message will stay in the text box until you are completely ready to send it. Once your message looks the way you want, you can send it in two ways. You can press Enter by itself without holding Shift, or you can click the Send button in the Slack interface, usually shown as a small paper plane icon. Only then will your neatly formatted multi-line message be posted to the conversation. If you ever find that Enter isn't behaving the way you expect, you can also check Slack's preferences.